Hello, I am back from the dead. Let's get into part 3. Today we're making a quill, pen, and an inkwell. These are the parts on my incense burner that are actually going to hold the incense, so these are the most important parts. I started by building the structure and then adding clay on top of it, adding in all my details. I'm kind of in love with how the feather turned out. I'm really excited. I didn't expect to like it that much. But yeah, then I moved on to the inkwell. This is where the cone incense will be held. And I am almost done with this entire sculpture. I'm finishing it up like as we speak, and I'll hopefully post the last part of the sculpture tonight and then post the painting tomorrow, and I will keep linking it in the comments. So leave a comment for part 4.